am back with a brand new WildAx. Today I will be showing you inside the brand new WildAx Pulsar. Still a nice compact vehicle, but a bit more space to give you just that wee bit more comfort. Starting off, you do have your lovely open side doors, and that's on both sides of the vehicle. Real nice that you can filter through from one side to the other. Moving around, then you have your outside barbecue point, your spare wheel on the back with a lovely cover there as well, and your reverse camera up on top. But let's just hop straight inside and have a look. So this vehicle is a automatic with a new 9-speed automatic gearbox. You do have your nice multimedia system here along with your automatic aircon and then your different USB ports as standard, your 12-volt plug-in. You will see the multifunction steering wheel across there as well. I really am a fan of the upholstery that WildAx uses in their motorhomes. I think it's real nice and warm. I really like the nice embroidery just here on the top. It is like a soft leather, half leather, and that comes through to the rest of the vehicle as well. Nice little pillows there. What is great about the Pulsar is how you have access to both sides of the vehicle. Both doors open and both doors close. So you can really use that if you're in a hot country and you need full circulation, not a problem. You can open and close both sides. Moving down then, you have your nice freezer just here with the freezer compartment up above. Across then to your sink and your 3-gas hob with your combined oven and grill just below. Now again, great that you have access to your back barn doors because you can swing them open, let the air filter on through, and it kind of opens up the space a lot more, that indoor-outdoor living. Moving then into your bathroom, you do have your nice toilet there, moving up to your different storage compartments all the way up and then across to the little mirror and your shower head as well. Also a nice little sink in there as well. So for making up the bed in this, it's very unique. WildAx have come up with a mechanism so that you can just slide the seats straight down and they just pop into place. So as you can see, this is nice and flat, but it doesn't let me use this part for my feet. So WildAx have come up with a trick for that. They have added an additional infill pillow to give you that extra height. And there we have it, a nice flush bed. Now, this is just a single bed, and I can do the same on this side, making it a single bed, or I can make this into a double bed. I'll first show you the two single bed options. So, single bed here, and as you can see, there is good height there is good length. Now for the double bed, so for making up the double bed, I don't want to take this out of the wrapping too much, but there is this piece of metal that goes in flush under these two pillows. Once that piece of metal is in place, this then makes up your double bed and you then sleep widthwise. There we have it, folks. That was the brand new Pulsar. If there's any other vehicle you'd like to see, please contact me directly. You can call me 028 9269 999. You can drop an email, marketing@thompsonleisure.com, or drop a comment and I'll pick all of them up, and I'll see you in the next video.